How to fix Clash of Clans black screen. Hey gamers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a frustrating issue many Clash of Clans players face, the dreaded black screen. Let's dive in and get you back to your village. Now let's go through the steps to fix it. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Turn your device off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Step 2. Update your game. Make sure you have the latest version of Clash of Clans. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Clash of Clans and hit update if it's available. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache and data can sometimes solve the problem, but be careful, clearing data will reset the game settings. Go to Settings, then Apps. Find Clash of Clans, tap on Storage, and then Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, you can try Clear Data, but remember it will reset your game settings. Step 4. Check device storage. Ensure your device has enough free storage. Clear out some space by deleting unnecessary apps or files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Clash of Clans and then reinstall it. Don't worry, your progress is safe as long as you're connected to your Supercell ID or Game Center. If you're still experiencing issues, here are a few advanced settings. Contact support. Reach out to Clash of Clans support through the in-game help section or visit their official website for further assistance. System update. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date. Sometimes outdated operating system versions can cause compatibility issues. And there you have it. Hopefully one of these solutions worked for you, and have any other issues or topics you want us to cover, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Happy clashing!